हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल विजार्ड क्लासेस पर। दोस्तों, ये जो है ना क्विज की क्लासेस है जो कि एसटीईटी कंप्यूटर और बीपीएससी कंप्यूटर की अगर आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आपके लिए ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। आज के सेशन में जो है 50 क्वेश्चंस को जो है एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में हम लोग कंडक्ट करेंगे। ठीक है, क्विज के फॉर्म में जो है 50 क्वेश्चन कंडक्ट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन है इनकैप्सुलेशन इंश्योर, तो यह हो जाएगा डेटा हाइडिंग एंड सेफ एक्सेस। एक कंस्ट्रक्टर, तो यह हो जाएगा इनिशियलाइज ऑब्जेक्ट, यानी एक कंस्ट्रक्टर जो है ऑब्जेक्ट को इनिशियलाइज करता है। डिस्ट्रक्टर इज ऑटोमेटिकली कॉल्ड व्हेन, तो यह हो जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट इज डिलीटेड और गोज आउट ऑफ स्कोप। जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो डिलीट हो जाए या आउट ऑफ स्कोप हो जाए तो डिस्ट्रक्टर ऑटोमेटिकली कॉल्ड हो जाता है। डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन रेफर्स टू, तो यह हो जाएगा शोइंग इसेंशियल डिटेल्स ओनली। डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन जो है वो बस एसेंशियल डिटेल्स ही शो करेगा। डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन जो है वो बस एसेंशियल डिटेल्स ही शो करेगा। मेथड ओवरलोडिंग अलाउज सेम नेम बट डिफरेंट पैरामीटर लिस्ट। Method overloading allows same name but different parameter list. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Abstract class जो है वो इंस्टांशिएट नहीं हो सकता है। Polymorphism allows one interface but multiple implementations. Compile time polymorphism is achieved by function overloading and operator overloading. It means compile time polymorphism can be achieved by the function overloading and operator overloading. Runtime polymorphism is achieved using virtual function. Runtime polymorphism is achieved using virtual function. Inheritance is used for code reuse. Private member of a base class are inherited as private. Private members of a base class are inherited as private. Namespace in C++ is used to avoid name conflict. Namespace in C++ is used to avoid name conflict. In odd parity, the parity bit is chosen so that the total number of 1s in the data word is odd. Which of the following is an error correction code? Hamming code. Hamming code is an error correction code. Hamming code is an error correction code. Parity bit method can detect single bit error. Parity bit method can detect single bit error. In Hamming code, the parity bits are placed at position which are power of 2. In Hamming code, the parity bits are placed at position which are powers of 2. Checksum is commonly used in data transmission. Checksum is commonly used in data transmission. Which code represents decimal digit in 4-bit binary BCD? Which code represent decimal digit in 4-bit binary BCD? Full form of BCD is binary coded decimal. ASCII code represent how many bits? 7 bit. EBCDIC is mainly used in IBM mainframe. EBCDIC is mainly used in IBM mainframe. Access 3 code is mainly used for BCD addition. Access 3 code is mainly used for BCD addition. Gray code is a non-weighted code. Gray code is a non-weighted code. Gray code is preferred in digital counters and ADCs. Gray code is preferred in digital counters and ADCs. Binary to gray conversion is done by XORing the current bit with previous bit. XORing the current bit with previous bit. Class in OOP is a blueprint for creating object. Class in object-oriented programming is a blueprint for creating the object. Object contains data member and method. Object contains the both data member and methods. Encapsulation is achieved using access specifiers like private and protected. Encapsulation is achieved using access specifiers like private and protected. Constructor is called automatically during object creation. Constructor is called automatically during object creation. Destructor is used to deallocate resources. Destructor is used to deallocate resources. Data abstraction allows hiding internal implementation. Data abstraction allows hiding internal implementation. Method overloading allows same method name with different parameters. Method overloading allows same method name with different parameters. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Polymorphism allows multiple forms of a method or operator. Polymorphism allows multiple forms of a method or operator. Runtime polymorphism is achieved using function overriding and virtual function. Runtime polymorphism is achieved using function overriding and virtual function. Inheritance allows code reuse from base class. Inheritance allows code reuse from base class. A parity bit is added to a data word to detect errors in data transmission. A parity bit is added to a data word to detect errors in data transmission. Hamming code is primarily used for error correction. Hamming code is primarily used for error correction. The main disadvantage of parity bit method is cannot detect even number of error. The main disadvantage of parity bit method is cannot detect even number of errors. Checksum method works by summing data blocks and transmitting the sum. Checksum method works by summing data blocks and transmitting the sum. ASCII is a 7-bit code. ASCII is a 7-bit code. EBCDIC uses 8-bit. EBCDIC uses 8-bit. Which code is mainly used for representing decimal digit in digital system? BCD code. BCD code is mainly used for representing decimal digits in digital systems. Access 3 code is weighted code. Access 3 code is weighted code. ASCII code for lowercase a is 97. ASCII code for lowercase a is 97. Gray code is preferred in digital counters and ADCs. Gray code is preferred in digital counters and ADCs. Encapsulation in object-oriented programming is used to hide internal details of a class. Encapsulation in object-oriented programming is used to hide internal details of a class. An object is an instance of a class. An object is an instance of a class. Constructor can be both parameterized and non-parameterized. Constructor can be both parameterized and non-parameterized. Destructor is called automatically when object is destroyed. Destructor is called automatically when object is destroyed. Abstract class may contain both abstract and concrete method. Abstract class may contain both abstract and concrete method. Method overloading is an example of compile time polymorphism. Method overloading is an example of compile time polymorphism. Method overriding is an example of. Method overriding is an example of. Friends, this question is your homework. You can comment the answer of this question in the comment section. We will meet in the next class. This class is regular conducted at 6 p.m. Okay friends, thank you everyone. We will meet at tomorrow. 6 p.m. in the evening.